Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting new feature on X, formerly known as Twitter. If you want to stay updated on the likes your posts receive, I'll guide you through enabling likes notifications on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your X account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, look to the left menu and click on More. This will expand additional options for you. Next, choose Settings and Privacy. You'll find all the essential settings you need to customize your experience. After that, click on Notifications. This is where the magic happens. Now, let's refine your notification preferences. Locate the Preferences option and then click on Push Notifications. You're almost there. Look for the section labeled Likes. Here, you'll want to check the box that says From Anyone. This ensures you won't miss a single like, whether it's from your friends or new followers. Finally, don't forget to click the Save Changes button. This will ensure all your settings are updated, and you'll start receiving notifications about likes right away. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy real-time notifications for likes on your posts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and happy tweeting.